Hey, Dave Knight here at 123daytrade.com. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being here again. All right, today quad witching today, but more importantly, crude oil, the futures and the options were expiring today. Not normally a good trading day or a good trending day to trade. And once again, it proves to me that it's not a good trending day. Or for every time that it doesn't trend, or does trend, excuse me, I think it doesn't trend 2, 3, 4 times for every day that you see a nice trending day on what ends up being options and futures expiring. So I think last week it was a good, in August was good, but September not so good. I mean, it made some moves, but it was very erratic, let's put it that way. So I finished up the week up. The account balance is on the Combine. Today was day 5, and I took a couple extra trades today, trying to stay in my target range of -20 to -30. So I stayed inside that -20, -30. I finished up plus 600 and change on the week. So I am within target of where I want to be as far as that goes. I have 5 days next week. I'm looking at about, I need another 900 roughly dollars, and that can happen on 2 3p targets as far as I'm concerned. If I get 2 trading days in a row that I'd hit a 3p target right now, like Monday or Tuesday of next week, I would accomplish that area roughly of where I need to be. Because right now, currently, 3p is about 65 ticks. So maybe it drops down to 60. 60 by 2 is still 1200, and that would take me above that 900 mark that I need to get above over the 1500 mark on the 30K Combine here on the TopStepTrader Combine. I don't really have much to say. I tried to capture what I thought was going to happen today. We had red bar volume early. It looked like the market wanted to break out. It didn't. It finally did break up. And then we had blue bar volume come in later in the trading session. And that didn't work out either. So both sides of the market just kind of did absolutely nothing really during the session that I was looking at. And it's roughly, what, 11:15 a.m. my time now, or 10:15. So if the market's going to make a move, usually you'll see it make a move early and be done on a Friday. And sometimes late on a Friday, the market kind of makes a move later. But that's time that I'm done. So I want to be completed by roughly 11 a.m. my time on any Friday. I want to start my weekend. Overall, as I look back at the 5 days of trading this week, I had 3 winning days and 2 losing days. I had one day I wished I had back, right? The Tuesday trading, I think it was, where I lost 47 ticks. So that should have been a positive trading day. Today would have been a losing trading day, no matter how I slice and dice it. The market just wasn't trending as far as, it went to a target, but it would retrace and run you out before you could make any money today, at least the way that I go about it. So it was one of those scalpers' paradise today. If you're a scalper, you're probably happy today, because if you're inside range trading and you like to trade inside of a trading range and congestion area, you probably had a really great day today. It's not the way I trade. I want that big target, right? I like those targets where I'm getting 68 ticks and I'm only risking 9 or 10 ticks a pop. So I can continue to take these little bitty losses, and then I'll get that big win, right? So that's kind of the way I look at it. So if I can accumulate a couple of those wins in a row, that's how I break out. Keep the losses small, let your profits run. Basic 101 trading 101, right? Keep your losses small, let your profits run, take profits on the rides. That part 3 of that rule, right? So in other words, pay yourself to trade once you are able to. So next week will be day 6 through 10 as I look at my next week. Will be in the November contract. Actually, we're in the November contract today in the crude oil market. So we will be actively trading, or I will be actively trading the November contract next week. And next week also, it looks like we have our first day of autumn, or fall is coming in. So here in the United States, we got fall coming in, especially up here in Pennsylvania where I live. I'm starting to see the leaves start to change a little bit. The moon was really out last night. As we were at football practice, it come up over the hillside, and you just big moon came out. So tonight is the full moon, so maybe that has something to do with all the craziness of the market right now. Um, for all you moon traders and sun worshippers and waves and all that other crap that goes on, if you're really a disciple of Gan, you know, he does all those lunar cycles that go on. So probably Gan would say today's not a good day to trade with the full moon and all the crazy people that are trading. So if you know any information on that, about full moon and how trading runs, then just leave me a comment below, and so I can. I used to have a friend that was in that lunar cycle kind of craziness of astronomy and astrology, and not astronomy, I guess, the astrology side of that. Gan's kind of the closest I know of all that. I try to ignore all that stuff, but maybe there's some a Friday quad witching and a full moon all together. Maybe a great day to go hit the golf club, or go hit the golf balls on the golf course, right? Or go find something to do. Go out to lunch with your wife, or your friend. Certainly not trading. Today was not, well, it was within plan, so I'm okay with it. I stayed within minus 20 to minus 30. I finished up minus 26 ticks on the day, and I'm okay with that. So um, that's about all I have to say about today. I hope you have a great rest of the weekend. I'll see you, as far as the summaries go, I'll see you on Monday after my trading session on Monday, if the as the water in the creek don't rise, right? So God bless, take care, and I will see you on the next day that I put something together. Bye for now.